Now, in this question, what they're trying to say is, see, there is a cone, inverted cone, okay, where the water is dripping from the tip, and they have given that the semi-vertical angle is pi by 6, which is 30 degrees. So here you get 30 degrees, okay. And what else is given is, so this is 1 cubic centimeter, centimeter cube per second. So dv by dt is 1 centimeter cube per second, okay. And water is coming out from this vessel. And one more thing, what they've spoken is about the slant height. So let this be h and this be r. And when the slant height is 4 centimeter, they are asking you to find the rate at which the slant height decreases. So they are asking about this only. Okay. Now what we know is volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. And it is being differentiated with respect to time only. But these two parameters are to be changed with respect to slant height. So I can write sine 30 is equal to r by L, which is opposite by hypotenuse. So we get r is equal to half of the slant height. And one more thing is cos 30 is equal to, we have adjacent by hypotenuse, which is root 3 by 2, L is equal to h. So we want to substitute those two here. So 1 by 3 pi into r square can be written as L by 2 the whole square and root 3 by 2 L, right? So we get volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi L cube root 3 by 8. Now let us differentiate with respect to time. So dv by dt is equal to 3 pi L square root 3 divided by 3 into 8. You can cancel these two threes, right? And they're given L is equal to 4. So let us substitute that. And here you should write dl by dt. Why? Because they're asking you to differentiate with respect to time. So the slant height also is differentiated with respect to time only. So from here, what you can do is, what and all they've given 1 is equal to pi into 4 square root 3 dl by dt, that's the question, divided by 8. Now you can cancel these two things also. So it goes 2 times. So here you get 2. So dl by dt will be equal to 1 divided by 2 root 3 pi centimeter per second. Yes. Now we'll try to solve this question. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square and the circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. Now let's see what they have given in the question. They are telling that area decreases with respect to time, which is 2 centimeters square per second. How fast is the circumference increases with respect to time? That's the question. Now let us differentiate this one with respect to time. So you get dA by dt is equal to 2 pi r dr by dt, right? And the radius is 5 they're given. And what is dA by dt they're given? They're given 2. Let's substitute that 2 is equal to 2 pi into 5 dr by dt. Now tell me what is dr by dt? dr by dt is nothing but 1 divided by 5 pi. Yes. Now let's see. C is equal to 2 pi r. Now differentiate this. dc by dt is equal to 2 pi dr by dt. Now what you can do? You can directly replace this one over here, right? So 2 pi into 1 divided by 5 pi. So what you get? You get 2 by 5. So dc by dt is equal to 2 by 5 centimeter per second, right? Now let's go to the next question. Volume of a cube is equal to a cube, okay? And the surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. And what else they are giving in the question? dv by dt is equal to 6 centimeter cube per second, right? Yes. And what they are asking? They are asking what is ds by dA, right? ds by dt, ds by dt, sorry, ds by dt is the question, right? And one more information what they have given is a is equal to 8 centimeter. A is equal to 8 centimeter. Now let us differentiate. dv by dt is equal to 3a square dA by dt, right? And they have provided 6 over here, 3a square dA by dt. So what is dA by dt? dA by dt is nothing but 2 by a square. Okay, finally we will substitute what is a and all. Okay, so now what is s? S is equal to 6a square. And just differentiate ds by dt is equal to 12a dA by dt. Now you just substitute here 12a into 2 divided by a square. Just cancel this. So what do you get? 24 by a. So what is the value of a? A value is 8. So you get 3 centimeter square per second, right? Now let's do the next question. Surface area is equal to 6a square for a cube and the volume is a cube again, right? And what they are giving, dv by dt is equal to, sorry, ds by dt, they are provided with ds by dt is 72 centimeter square per second, and they are asking the rate of change of volume with respect to time is the question when the edge is 3 centimeters. So this is what they are provided. Now let us do the same. ds by dt is equal to 12a dA by dt, right? So we will substitute what is ds by dt. 72 is equal to 12a dA by dt, dA by dt. So what is dA by dt is equal to 6 by a. You can cancel, right? You can easily cancel these two things. It goes 6 times, right? Now tell me what is volume. Volume is equal to a cube. Now differentiate this. dv by dt is equal to 3a square dA by dt. Substitute here. dv by dt is equal to 3a square into 6 by a. Now we are just asked to cancel these two things and substitute what is the value. So what is the value? 3 into 6, which is 9 6 are 54 centimeter cube per second, right?